Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about a cable box that is not turning on. I'll specifically be going over the easiest fixes for you to try first in this very simplistic tutorial. Let's get right into this video tutorial. There are 5 quick and easy things that you can try out. Hopefully one of them works for you. Number 1 is to unplug the cable box. Leave it unplugged for about 2 minutes and plug it back in. What that's going to do is that's going to reset the internals. It's going to restart it. And most of the time we know this, but with technological devices, sometimes just a simple restart solves the problem. If that doesn't help you out, move on to number 2, which is to look at the cable box and think to yourself, does it even have an actual power button? Most modern cable boxes, like this one right here, don't have a power button. So if you're trying to turn it on and you can't find the power button, it probably doesn't have one, right? This cable box is a modern style cable box. It's a Rogers cable box and it doesn't have a power button. So if you're trying to figure out why it won't turn on and you're looking for a power button, it might not even have a power button, okay? So keep that in mind. If that doesn't help you out, move on to number 3, which is to look for a power light on the box. Now this does have a light over here, a power light. And when it is plugged in, it is basically always on, as far as I understand, and the light is illuminated. So look for the power light. If there's a power light there, then most likely the cable box is powered on and it has power, but maybe there's a video connection issue that you have to look into. So look for a power light illumination. If that doesn't help you out, that was once again just to re-clarify and to recap and to keep myself at pace here. Number 3 was look for the power light being illuminated. Like I said, if it's illuminated, chances are it's on. There might be a different issue that you have to look into. If that doesn't help you, I'll move on to number 4, which is to try turning it on with the remote, and you want to be close to the cable box. So if your cable box has a cable remote, you want to try powering it on with the remote, and make sure you're within a decent distance from the cable box. You don't want to be too far away, and make sure that the remote itself has batteries as well, okay? And if that doesn't help you out, you're going to move on to number 5, which is to check the actual power source. That means take a look at the power outlet that it's plugged into. Does that outlet actually have power? Is it working properly? Take a look at the cord that is connecting the cable box to the outlet. Does it look fine? Is it in good condition? Is it plugged in properly? And take a look at how the cord is connected to the cable box itself. Is it plugged into the cable box properly? Keep a look at those things. Take a look at those things and keep those things in mind. Hopefully one of them helps you out and helps you get your cable box turned on once again. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.